Hey everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial. And for today, we're going to discuss how to make sending an SMS through your LC phone system compliant to our industry standards. So, some of us might use or maybe using the LC phone system for like SMS campaigns, and we're sending them to cold leads. And we just want to make sure that the messages sent through the LC phone system are to consenting parties and that we follow applicable laws. So in order for us to do that, we just need to go to settings, and under business profile, scroll down, and under general, you'll see these two radio buttons. So make SMS compliant by adding an opt-out message, and make SMS compliant by adding a sender information. So for the opt-out message, you can customize that, and you have to make sure that the message includes any one of the following standard opt-out keywords. It could be stop, stop all, unsubscribe, cancel, and or quit. So as long as you have any of these words for your customized message, then we're good. So once you're done customizing that, then you can just click on save. And same thing with the sender information. So make sure that you add it either in the beginning or at the end of the message. So sender ID will be the name of your business. And again, once you're done, hit save and make sure that you have these radio buttons checked. Alright, so that's as easy as that. And to make sure that we're also mindful of measures of fairness and decency when it comes to sending SMS. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching this short how-to video. For more how-to videos, check out the High Level How-Tos playlist in the High Level YouTube channel.